Tonight I made chicken casserole. This morning, before work, I put 4 boneless chicken breasts in a crock pot to cook all day. When I got home, I got them out and shredded them into a casserole dish. Then in a separate bowl, I mixed together sour cream, chicken broth, and a can of cream of chicken soup. I usually use 2 cans of soup, but I only had 1 in my cabinet, so that's what we went with tonight. I do like it creamier than it was tonight. Anyways, we mix that smooth, and until all the lumps are out. Then we will pour it over the top of the shredded chicken, covering all the chicken until it's seeping down into it all, makes it moist. It's a really easy recipe. Next, we'll melt a stick of butter in the microwave. About a minute. When that's done, we'll take it out and we're going to crush 2 sleeves of Ritz crackers and pour it into the butter. And then you're going to stir it around and coat all the cracker crumbs. Takes a minute. You could take them out of the bag and crush them in a Ziploc bag, but I didn't do that this time. And you're just going to stir it around until you've coated all your cracker crumbs with the butter. This is the yummy part. When that's all coated, then you're going to pour your crumbs over the top of your sour cream mixture and chicken in your casserole dish. Then you're going to bake it in a preheated oven, 350 degrees, for about 35 to 40 minutes until it's bubbly and brown. And then you're going to take it out and you have dinner. Thanks for watching.
No, that's fine. Take it.